Hi, Princess. How's little Alice Esme's first little bath?
She's trying to get out now.
She just learned how to get out. Yeah, because I'll kill her if you don't have it warm. I see a princess rat. I see a rat. I see you.
She's ready to come out soon. She's just going to school down.
Hi. No. Say hi. You're looking at the camera.
Alright, we'll take you out. You need to behave.
Say, ready, Princess? Say, I'm ready, Mommy and Daddy. I was so bad. I didn't mean to be. Come on. Come on.
You want to take care of her from here?